All right, so what I'm going to do on these is these are by topics. And so I would like you to do this whole thing. I would like you to do every single one of these, and I'm going to have you pause in a second, but just listen first, because this is where these units start getting a little harder. So when you on pause, I'm going to write down the right answers. So you can do these one at a time and just pause after every one, or you can do all of them and then watch. I'm not working any of them right now. So what I would like you to do is grade your own work. It's okay if you miss it. Then I want you to text me and say, I missed question 5. Can you go over it? Okay, so right now I'm going to have you pause, but when you on pause, I'm just giving you answers. I'm not going to do the work. Okay, I'll only do the work if you need me to do the work. So you just got to let me know which ones I need to do. Okay, so pause. Pause the video. Stop. All right, so I'm going to write the answers. 1 and 11/12. And you can pause now and do the next one. Or you can keep, if you did them all, then I'll show them all right now. 4 and 31/60. 3 and 19/45. 7/10. 5 and 5/7. 1/2. 1 and 24/25. 7/36. And 3 and 5/24. Okay, so any of those that you missed, maybe glance at them now and see if you can figure out what you did wrong. And then if you can't, I would like you to get a hold of me, and I would like you we'll kind of go over it. Okay, you can say, do number 7 for me, and I will. All right, so now you're going to do topic 2. That's quite a few questions here. Okay, I would like you to do these without a calculator, right? So I would like you to do them by hand. Okay, pause the video, work them, and then I will write the answers again. So pause. Pause. Okay, this one is 214.383. 37.152. 266.8. 46.472. 0.7875. 5.24. 2.8. 5.04. 47. 1.4. 4.9. 192.13. Okay, so any of these that you missed, please let me know ASAP and I can go over them. I mean, if you missed them and then you fixed them, good job. But if you missed them and you can't figure out what you did wrong, please let me know. All right, so the next one is a big section. It's a bunch of applications. So I would like you to pause the video. And again, you can, if you want to do one story at a problem at a time, just because story problems are hard. And so if you do all of these, it might be better just to do one at a time. So I would, and then after I write the answer, go ahead and pause the video and just kind of do it on your own. It might be better. Pause and do the first one at least. Okay. The first one's answer is 19. 7 and 19/36. 7 and 3/5. 21/40. 17/36. 3/16. 15.48. 1.55. 393.24. 13 times. You get around that one. 22 bricks. And $12.26. Okay, so go ahead. Any of those that you can't figure out what you did wrong, go ahead and let me know what number on the review you were struggling with. Okay, so the next section, so question 34. Again, I don't care if you want to do this like a section at a time. So like you want to do these three, then do these three, then do these. It doesn't matter to me. I'm just going to go ahead and slowly kind of say the answer so you have time to pause it if you don't have the next one done. So pause and at least do the first three. Pause. All right, 1 1/5, 21 25ths, 9 7/40. Okay, 2.625, 0.11, 6, and the 6 is repeating because you just get in that pattern. And then 4.7, and the 7 is repeating. And then this is less than, greater than, and less than. Okay, and then I'm going to do those last two answers. The answer here is Daryl. And least to greatest is 4/9, 9/20, and 0.45 repeating. All right. So any of those that you struggled with, go ahead and get a hold of me, please, please, please. And then you've had a lot of practice over the last couple of lessons, some different ways of doing negatives. So this is 4.07, 2 1/6, 11/15, and 0.832. And if you want to pause and do this section, and then I'll go over them. So pause. So this is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than. And then on the last ones, you're just putting those in order. So from least to greatest, so negative 0.35, negative 0.28, and then, oh wait, that's 7/25, isn't it? 0.28, my bad. And then 7/25, and then negative 0.2. All right, and then on the last one from greatest to least, so greatest is going to be, the one you're going to write first is the one that is closest to 0. So that's a negative 2 1/3, negative 2 2/5, and a negative 2.61. Okay, so these are all the answers, and now you should be ready to take the test over this after you've practiced all these negatives.